Jamaica has signed a multi-million dollar or a multi-million euro financing agreement with the European Union to bolster environmental projects. The visibility ceremony was held at the Finance Ministry on Friday.
The financing agreement between the Government of Jamaica and the European Union is aimed at addressing forest management and climate change challenges in Jamaica. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke gave details of this latest grant from the EU.
16.695 million euros from the European Union to the Government of Jamaica, a grant that is focused on climate change issues and forestry management issues. Now, this grant has been critical in advancing policies and programs in very important areas of Jamaica's environmental development.
Chargé d'Affaires and Head of Cooperations for the European Union delegation to Jamaica, Anicito Rodriguez-Ruiz, says the grant is based on 4 modalities. Firstly, budgetary support for government environment projects.
There is a component of policy dialogue. There is technical assistance for business development support for the forest sector, and nonetheless, provision of grants to civil society organizations with the purpose to improve the livelihoods of people in forest-dependent communities and strengthen participation, budgeting, and financial management among actors in the forest sector.
The EU representatives listed projects calculating Jamaica's above-ground carbon stock that help in reducing carbon emissions from deforestation and forest degradation. For Minister without Portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Matthew Samuda, the efforts are ongoing.
We had proposed a protected area of 74,000 hectares. We have exceeded 78,000 hectares after the ground truthing exercise was completed by the Forestry Department, NLA, and indeed NEPA. The completion of our National Mangrove Forest Management Plan is another outstanding achievement.
It is clear that good things are happening in Jamaica's forestry sector, and the European Union will continue to work in partnership with the government to bolster environmental protection across the country. Additionally, I would like to commend the Forestry Department for the ongoing efforts in reshaping the forest sector through this program.
Herman Green, TVJ News.